Now let's go through some of the questions of your book only. So we'll be starting with assessment zone. Choose the correct answer. These are multiple choice questions. First one is, which of the following is grouped under pulses? So the answer is C, that is gram. The answers are also mentioned here. Which of the following is a leguminous crop? That is soybean. Third one is, which of the following is an example of food crop? That is cotton. Not an example of food crop, that means maize, rice, wheat are food crops, whereas cotton is fiber crop. Fourth one is, which of the following is weedicide? That is butachlor. What is the process of cutting and gathering of crop called? That is harvesting. Which of the following tool or machine is used for loosening the soil? That is plow. Seventh one is, what is the full form of DDT? It is diphenyl trichloroethane. Then fill in the blanks. First one is, dash should be removed from the crop before storing it. So the answer is chaff. Second is, the crops harvested in October are kharif crops. Third one is, a crop which is grown by a farmer to fulfill the needs of his family is known as subsistence crop. Fourth one is, dash crops are grown in winter season, that is rabi crop. Excess use of fertilizers at a place leads to soil and water pollution. Then sixth one is, the practice of breeding and raising animals on a large scale is known as animal husbandry. So these are some of the MCQs and fill in the blanks for your practice. Students, here are some of the questions for your practice. First one is, complete the following analogies. That is, Rabi is wheat. That means wheat is an example of Rabi crop. So rice will be the example of Kharif crop. You can write any other example also. Second one is, wheat is food crop. Then tea is cash crop. So cash crop will come in the blank. Then pulses, pea, cereals, rice. That means rice comes in cereals, whereas pea comes in pulses group. Then sugar crop is beetroot, and tapioca is tuber crop. So these are the answers. Another question is, answer in one word. The process of loosening and turning of soil is known as plowing. The method of sowing seeds by scattering them using hands is broadcasting. Organic substances obtained from animal and plant waste used to enrich soil is manure. That is, the manure is natural fertilizer. So that will be the answer. The last one is, the supply of water to agricultural field at regular intervals is known as irrigation. Then coming to the third question, that is, fill in the blanks. To meet this dash demand of food, that is growing demand of food, there is a need to increase our crop production. Second one is, nitrogen is the most abundant element. I have told you that it is 78% in the atmosphere. So nitrogen will come as the answer. Then third one is, denitrifying bacteria releases nitrogen gas. Fourth one is, animals that give us dash are called dairy animals. That is, milk is the answer. The animals which give milk are called dairy animals. Next one is, the rearing and breeding of fish on a large scale is known as pisciculture. Now the next question is, state true or false. So first one is, wilting prevents transportation of water in plants. That is false. Wilting means drying of plants. So it will not prevent the transportation of water in plants. Actually, wilting helps in transportation of water in plants, because if the water will be less in the plants, then the roots will suck the water from the soil more. Then second one is, 2,4-D is an example of weedicide. That is true. We have written in example. Then winnowing involves the separation of grain from crop. That is false, because it removes chaff from the grain. The fourth one is, crossing between two same varieties of crops is known as hybridization. That is very much true. Then fifth one is, granaries are used to store small amount of grains. That is false. Actually, granaries and silos, you can say, they are used to store large amount of grains and on large scale. So it is false. So go through the chapter thoroughly and in a detailed manner so that you can answer the questions in your PT exam. That will be mainly true and false, one word, MCQs, that type of questions. Practice them and do well. All the best.